Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to my channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tips for growing your online business. Today, we have an exciting one for you. We'll be diving into the world of Instagram advertising, helping you attract more customers to your online store. Trust me, this is a game changer, so stick around. Make sure you watch it until the end of the video, as I am going to provide you with the clever insights and strategies for running Instagram or Facebook ads. Today, we are going to cover topics displayed on the screen. Number 1. Login into the Meta Business Suite. Number 2. Exploring the Meta Business Suite. Number 3. Navigating to the ad screen. Number 4. Creating your ad and choosing the goal. Number 5. Designing your ad. Number 6. Promoting the ad. Number 7. Clever insights and strategies. Head over to your computer and log into the Meta Business Suite. It's your gateway to supercharging your online business through Instagram advertising. Open your web browser and enter https://business.facebook.com into the address bar. Press enter. You'll be prompted to log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Select the option that corresponds to your account and sign in to access the Meta Business Suite. If you don't have an account yet, you can pause the video and click on the sign up option located in the upper right corner. Once you're in, it's time to explore. This suite is packed with tools to skyrocket your success. Take a moment to navigate through the Meta Business Suite. Get familiar with all the incredible features that can help you take your business to the next level. Please direct your attention to the left-hand side of the panel, where you can find various options including Home, Notifications, Inbox, Planner, Ads, and more. For today's focus, we'll delve into the Ads section extensively. Alright, let's get down to business. Click your way to the ad screen. This is where the magic happens, where you turn your ad dreams into reality. In the Ads Summary section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the ads linked to your account, including those that have been completed in the past, are currently running, or are scheduled for the future. Now, this is where the real fun begins. Click that Create Ad button and choose your goal. Want more traffic to your online store? That's the goal we're after. In this video, we'll opt for Get More Website Visitors as our selection, but you have the flexibility to choose based on your specific needs. The details for designing the ad will remain consistent regardless of your choice. Time to spill the beans, folks. Enter all your ad details, from budget to audience targeting. The more you specify, the more you reach your ideal customers. Within the Ad Creative section, simply select the Use Post link. This action will trigger a pop-up window allowing you to choose from your pre-existing posts on Facebook or Instagram. Please select any or more of them that are currently displayed on the screen. You also have the option to select any 5 images or videos from your Facebook or Instagram account, as well as from your local computer, by utilizing the Select Media feature. If you select more than one image or videos, then the suite will create a carousel while displaying the ad. Take a look at the screen for a visual demonstration. Next, let's add a suitable description for the ad. Remember, this description is for record-keeping purposes and won't be displayed in your actual ad. Now, the fun part. Craft catchy headlines for each image and video. These headlines will be prominently displayed on the images or videos while your ad is running, so make them attention-grabbing and engaging. Select a suitable label for the button. Keep in mind that this label will be visible in your ad, and your potential customers will need to click on this button to access your online store. So, make your choice wisely. We will choose Shop now. Ensure that you enter the URL of your website or the specific product you wish to promote without any mistakes. This is a critical step, and there's no room for errors. Now, let's talk about Advantage Plus Creative. Mark this as true to empower the suite to utilize data and algorithms to determine potential customers for your business. Without further ado, let's move on to another crucial option, Audience. To enter audience details, simply click on the pencil icon. Within this section, you have the flexibility to select the preferred gender, choose the suitable age group, and pinpoint the location of your potential customers. It's crucial to make these decisions well in advance before you begin crafting your ad. Regarding location, the suite will offer estimates regarding the audience size and whether your chosen region is too specific or broad. Once you're content with your selections, just click on Save Audiences to proceed. Next up, it's time to choose the start date and time, along with the number of days you want your ad to run. Select the appropriate daily budget so that the suite can determine the ad frequency effectively. Now, let's decide on the placements for your ad. You have the option to choose Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, or all of these platforms for your ad to appear. Lastly, select a payment method and add funds in accordance with your predetermined budget. Remember, this is a prepaid option, so you can add funds either well in advance or at the beginning of the month for smooth operation. As you can see on the screen, you also have the option to preview the ad. The suite will provide estimated daily results and a payment summary to give you a clear picture of what to expect. Once you are satisfied with the ad setup, click on Promote Now to schedule the ad and get it rolling. Final segment and important for this video is clever insights and strategies. When selecting your target audience, make sure to choose the gender wisely. Especially for products like jewelry or cosmetics, where the majority of potential customers are women. It's advisable to run your ads for a minimum of 3 or more days to ensure optimal visibility. Additionally, schedule your ad at least 12 to 24 hours in advance. Keep in mind that the suite might take some time to review and approve your ads, so planning ahead is essential. Lastly, once your ad is live, avoid making changes or updates, as this would trigger a review stage and potentially cause you to miss the events or opportunities you're targeting. You can find a sample ad with a link provided in the video description for reference.